What was that? I should kill everyone and escape? Sorry. The voices. I'm kidding. That's not what they really said.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I look a mess, my hair is a mess and whatever, but I'm here with another Halloween video. Could you guys tell what I will be making? Can you guys tell what I will be creating myself into? My shirt say Daddy's Little Monster, so you guys guessed it, is Harley Quinn. So this is more of like a simple and easy makeup look for those who don't want to try real hard or like last minute makeup costume, you know. So this is really easy for you guys out there. So if you guys are excited to see how I will create this Harley Quinn, then give this video a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I usually do beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and vlogs, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join the family. But let's just jump into the video because I'm so excited. And of course you guys know I will be doing voiceover because I could sit down here and chit chat with you guys forever. Alright guys, so I'm just putting on foundation only and not all the extra stuff because I feel like Harley Quinn makeup is very simple and straightforward. But of course you guys could apply bronzer, blush, and all if you want, however you guys like it. This is just a preference for me. For the eyes, it is really easy because it's just a one color eye look on each lid. So I'm just using the color Stev in Carly Bible palette, which I absolutely freaking love, on one eye. So basically, I'm just applying this all over my lid and smudging it down below my lash line. And I will be doing the same with the blue eyeshadow that I found in like a random palette that has no name on it. Now for lashes, no lashes to lashes. Harley eyelashes are simple, so you could just apply mascara, but of course y'all know me. I'm a bit extra and I like a little oomph to it. Alright guys, so now for the hardest part, I'm like trying to get myself together to draw a heart on my face, but to be honest, it was real easy and not bad on my first try. Alright guys, so this might be the hardest part ever, which is writing rotten on my face. I was like struggling and I really didn't like how it came out the first time, so I had to like wipe it off, slap on foundation again, and redo it. The second time I did it and it came out pretty good. What do you guys think? For the lips, I am just using a True Red color by MAC. This is called Russian Red. I love this color. And for hair guys, it is very easy and simple. I will be showing you guys 2 ways how you could do this hairstyle. It's pretty self-explanatory when you guys watch it. You will then later see me use black eyeshadow to fill in any bald spot I have on my head. I have seriously been losing hair during this pandemic, guys. If you have like any suggestions on products or vitamins, please let me know in the comments below.
Shake it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me got engravings after dating, like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on love galore who never lost control. Plus a supermodel, yeah, spit dialogue, fire like a candle. Yeah, feel like Andretti on your handle. Shorty steady, stable in her dimensions. These other chicks just try to contend it, but they just can't reflect it. I told her this is forever thing. She told me value funny cause there's no other way to win. So I told her she mine, intertwined and love until I laid alive. I was crippled by the sight of your dimples that's sitting in your cheeks. Fell down on them bands, you supportive of my plans. You stay walking circles around them birds like they got pigeons' feet. If time was an hourglass, you every grain of sand. You know that you my aura and existence cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence cause you hold it down. You hold it down, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence like you lost and found. You lost and found, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence.
Alright guys, so here's the second hairstyle. Like I said, I didn't get a wig. My hair is long enough, so I decided to just do my own hair instead of getting like a wig. So you could tie it in 2 pigtails, or either like the way I showed you guys the first time, like just a little bit hair right here, just tie it up. I don't know what's it called. So either hairstyle will work fine. And oh my goodness, did you guys see the way I was struggling right in? But yeah, I thought about it, like I wasn't gonna do it, but then I was like, nah, let me just do it. And I did it. It took me the second try. So I was so proud of myself doing it the second time. Good. You guys know what I wish? I have gum, but I don't think I have gum in the house. Honestly, I love how this turns out, guys. Like, oh my goodness, I'm so proud of myself. This is like an easy, simple look, like I said, for those who are like last minute like me, you know, really simple. But yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave any comments down below. Well, actually leave me comments what you guys want to see next, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You my aura and existence cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence cause you hold it down. You hold it down, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence like you lost and found. You lost and found, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence cause you hold it down. You hold it down, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence cause you hold it down.